So the three parenting styles are authoritarian, permissive, and authoritative. The authoritarian parents rely on a set of strict and inflexible rules for running their household. They're not interested in the child's point of view when it comes to disputes or consequences or any sort of disagreement. It's all about the parent's perspective. And as a result, they're more demanding of their children than responsive to their children's needs. They have extremely high demands and expectations for the children that sometimes seem unreasonable to the child and create a cool rather than warm relationship. The permissive parents, on the other hand, want to be friends with their children. So they make parenting a collaborative effort between the child and the parent. This is because these parents tend to have a difficult time giving discipline when their child is unhappy. They want their child to be happy and see them as a friend. So when they disagree, they give in to the child more easily. This blurs the line between parent and child a little bit. Overall, there's a very warm relationship, and the parents encourage creativity and individuality. However, they don't insist on appropriate behavior from their child, and as a result, their children grow up not knowing how to be accountable for their actions because they don't see their actions having consequences very often. The last parenting style is authoritative. This parent is both demanding and responsive to their child. In the way they control their household, they establish clearly defined expectations so the child knows what is expected from them. However, the parent is also very flexible depending on the situation, and they show their child that their voice means something. They listen to what their child has to say, and they work together to compromise consequences and solutions to issues. The relationship is very warm and accepting, and the parents encourage their child to meet the expectations, but they support their child's personal growth rather than handing out punishments. It's all about the process of growing into a mature individual that's going to benefit the world, I guess. There is a high value on cooperation, responsibility, and self-regulation of actions. The parents promote autonomy by encouraging their child to find solutions on their own. However, they will provide support as needed.